Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we're going to talk about 5 ways to improve your English language skills from beginner to advanced level. Learning a new language can be tough, but it can also be really rewarding. Whether you want to learn new vocabulary, improve your comprehension, grammar, listening or speaking skills, these tips will help you achieve your goals. Tip 1. Read English books and articles. Reading English books and articles is a great way to improve your language skills. Start with easy books and articles, and then gradually move on to more difficult ones. You can find books and articles on any topic that interests you, like science, history or fiction. Try to read for at least 15 minutes every day, and make notes of any new words or phrases you come across. This will help you expand your vocabulary and improve your comprehension. For example, you can start by reading a children's book like The Cat in the Hat or an article about a topic you're interested in, like the benefits of exercise on a health website. Tip 2. Watch English movies and TV shows. Watching English movies and TV shows can help you improve your listening and speaking skills. Start with movies or shows with English subtitles, and try to pick up new words and phrases from them. Focus on the actor's pronunciation and intonation, and try to mimic their speech patterns. This will help you become more comfortable with speaking and understanding English in real-life situations. For example, you can start by watching a popular TV show like Friends or a movie like The Lion King with English subtitles. Tip 3. Practice speaking English. Practicing speaking English every day, even for a few minutes, can help you improve your fluency and confidence. You can practice with a friend or a language exchange partner, or even by talking to yourself in English. Don't worry about making mistakes, as they are a natural part of the learning process. Instead, focus on practicing and getting comfortable with the language. For example, you can practice introducing yourself to someone in English, ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions in English. Tip 4. Use online resources. There are many online resources available that can help you improve your English skills. You can use language learning apps, online dictionaries, and even watch free online English courses. Language learning apps such as Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone are great for practicing your vocabulary and grammar. Online dictionaries such as Oxford and Cambridge can help you improve your pronunciation and comprehension. Free online English courses such as those offered by British Council and Coursera can provide you with a structured learning environment and access to experienced teachers. For example, you can download a language learning app like Duolingo and practice for 10 to 15 minutes a day. Use an online dictionary to look up new words or phrases, or enroll in a free online English course. Tip 5. Get a tutor or join an English course. If you're serious about improving your English skills, consider getting a tutor or joining an English course. A tutor can provide you with personalized feedback and guidance, while an English course can give you a structured learning environment and access to experienced teachers. You can find tutors or courses in your area or online, depending on your preference and budget. Look for tutors or courses that are accredited or have good reviews to ensure quality instruction. For example, you can find a tutor on websites like Italki or Preply, or enroll in an English course at a local language center or online. So, those were the 5 ways to improve your English language skills from beginner to advanced level. Remember to read, watch, practice, use online resources, and get professional help. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it's also a fun and rewarding experience. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and try new things. Keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and you'll be surprised at how quickly you can progress. As a bonus tip, try to immerse yourself in the English language as much as possible. Surround yourself with English speakers, listen to English music, and try to think and speak in English as much as possible. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you'll improve. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips have been helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips and resources. Good luck on your language learning journey.